All right, Leo, it's finally done.
I stayed up late just to finish this.
What's that? Whoa! Is this really mine? It looks like a real castle.
Wow, look at these towers.
This is amazing! This is my castle now. I'm the king of this place! Charge forward! Hey! Hey! Woohoo! Oh. Wow! A castle! Can I come inside too? No! This is MY Castle! Dad made it just for me. Oh. Okay. Okay. I didn't want it anyway. Mia, come here, sweetheart. I have something for you. I have some for you.
This is for you.
Really? Thank you. So many colors. I'm drawing a big castle. Look at this! That looks fun! Can I draw too? No, Leo, it's mine! I'll go back. No sharing allowed. My castle only. Attack the dragons! This feels boring. I miss playing. It's quiet. Maybe Leo is lonely. Playing together was better. Maybe I should check. I'm winning! Winning! He doesn't need me. I'll just stay here. Not fun anymore. I wish Mia was here. Oh no! My picture. Picture. What do I do? Mia? Mia? What happened? It's broken. I think I can fix it. Fix it. Hold it steady. Almost done. Hold it steady. Try now. It works again. Thank you. I'll go back. Wait, Leo. Do you want to play together? Huh? Let's share colors. This is fun. This is fun. Come to my castle. Wow! Anya! Welcome to the Art Kingdom! Now it's beautiful. Only friends allowed.
Sorry I didn't share.
I'm sorry too. Sharing is better. Here, use this. You're the king! Huh? Yeah! Yay! Yay!
Look at them!
The castle brought them together.
Good night, kids.
Good night.